Give me
No,
some.
Nah, it's mine.
Stop playing
it's
with
mine,
me.
bro.
How about me?
How about all of y'all back up?
You remember I gave you that A+ when you didn't do your work?
It's just one.
Does that mean I can get one?
You want some?
No.
Bacon hair, what is 1 + 1?
2.
Wrong!
What you mean wrong?
Bro is dumb.
I don't know why you're talking, but okay.
'Cause I can...
Bro, both of y'all must be dumb.
And that's why you are an orphan.
What did you just say?
Chill!
Oops. Home run.
I'm telling the principal.
Oh my goodness.